Hi, on this video I will show you how to turn off the Windows Firewall on Windows XP. To begin, click on Start, choose Run. On the open box type in firewall.cpl. Press Enter or OK. As you can see, the Windows Firewall is on, and if you want to turn it off, just click on here. And it says here, having the Windows Firewall, it is not Windows Firewall off is not recommended. But if you must turn it off for whatever reason, this is the best way to do it. This is the easiest way. And just click on OK, and that's it. The Windows Firewall is off on Windows XP. Now I will show you how to do it on Windows Vista.